How to turn off personalized ads on your phone. Have you ever thought that the iPhone listens to what you say and serves you advertisements in that way? Many people have a problem with this and do not want to receive such advertisements. Let's see how we can turn it off. To do that, we will open the settings on our phone. Once the settings have opened, scroll through the options until you reach the Privacy and Security section. When you find it, tap on it. In the new list of options, we can manage privacy and security options. However, you need a section called Apple Advertising. When we open that option, a switch will be waiting for us that we need to turn off. If this is enabled, iPhone will ask for your data through applications and send you personalized advertisements based on that. This can be useful because it can offer you something you need. However, if you don't want that, just tap on the switch and turn off this option. In this way, Apple will not ask for your data through applications. That's all about this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.